How comfortable are you in your work environment? Is it too hot or is it too cold? Does the indoor temperature swing dramatically from morning to afternoon? Do colleagues ask you to turn the heat up while others ask you to turn it down? You may never get everyone to agree on what temperature is comfortable. However, with the help of these small, low-cost wireless sensors, you can isolate and troubleshoot challenged areas within your building. AAB provides several Bluetooth smart tools suitable for HVAC troubleshooting. Together, these wireless sensors can detect and record temperature, humidity, and airflow, and have the ability to transfer the data to your smart device through Bluetooth pairing. These keychain-sized TS100 sensors record temperature and humidity. Using the CPS Link app, you can download that data and view the graph on your smart device, or transfer the data to a spreadsheet for analysis. Over 2 months of readings taken at 5-minute intervals can be stored on these sensors. The ABM200 sensor records airflow as well as temperature and humidity. This versatile sensor can be attached to the AAB extension pole to take readings from ceiling-mounted or wall-mounted vents. With this data, you can determine the volume and temperature of the air being supplied to a particular room for heating, cooling, or ventilation. You may find that cold spots receive too little air volume due to imbalances or leaks in the ducts and vents supplying the room. You may also find that the supply air temperature is too low due to poor insulation or furnace performance. Smart tools such as the wireless AAB sensors put professional-grade diagnostics within reach, enhancing your preventive maintenance program and simplifying your maintenance strategy in making your building more energy efficient. For more information on low-cost energy tools, please visit PenTap at pentap.psu.edu or call PenTap at 814-865-0427.